Well, hello again. So in this video, I will like to show you an application problem about piecewise function. Here's the problem. Mac Burger, there's a burger shop, pays $8.75 per hour for the first 55 hours and $9.25 per hour of work anytime past 55 hours. Write a function that represents a worker's paycheck, C, in terms of the number of hours worked each week, H. So hours will be H and C will be the function. So then we would write down C of H, right? So I would claim that there are two restrictions. Restriction 1, if a worker works between 0 and 55 hours. For each hour the worker worked, this is how much he or she is going to be getting paid. If the worker works greater than 55 hours, right, then it's gonna get he or she is going to get paid $9.25 per hour. But first of all, because the worker is working 55 hours, so we are going to pay the worker this much. Oh, this is wrong. It should be $8.75. Okay. So the first 55 hours is going to be work. If the worker is passing that amount. So definitely the worker will be paid this much first, right? And then over that means that H minus 55 will be paid as $9.25. A couple of things that we need to pay attention. 0 must be included, 55 must be included. We cannot include 55 on the top and the bottom restriction, no. Because if the worker works only 55 hours, we need to be knowing which rule are we going to apply. So if the work, for us to be able to construct the second line of the formula, we must be thinking that the worker worked more than 55 hours. So the worker will get the money for the work for the first 55 hours. And the difference between the 55 additional will be paid as $9.25. Okay, so problem continues. If a worker had to work a total of 63 hours in 1 week, so 63 falls into this condition. So for that worker, we are going to pay 63 minus 55, 8 times $9.25, right? And I'm not sure how much it's going to make. I did not put it in my notes. Sorry, 8 times $9.25 is 74. We're going to pay 74 plus the worker work 55 hours, so we're going to add these two, and then it will be equal to $555.25. Okay, so that will be the amount of money. It might seem very seductive, but remember, the worker works 63 hours in a week. It's like approximately 9 hours every day for 7 days. It's too much. It might not be a desirable job. All right, that's all about it. Piecewise function application problem. Hope that helps. See you.